In this video, we'll be talking about why you should have a video strategy. First of all, video is prolific. As we've talked about previously, video is everywhere. Every day, over 4 billion videos are watched on Facebook. Every month, over 6 billion hours of video are watched on YouTube. And by 2018, video will account for 80% of all web traffic. Video is also engaging. Viewers retain 95% of a message when they watch a video, compared to 10% when they read text. And Dr. James McQuivey estimates that 1 minute of video is equal to 1.8 million words. So they say a picture is worth 1,000 words. Well, a video is worth 1.8 million words. And video doesn't just work for consumers, it also works for business-to-business marketing. 72% of business-to-business buyers watch videos throughout their entire path to purchase. And nearly half view 30 minutes or more of video content while researching a major purchase. Up to 90% of the purchase decision for a product or service in a business-to-business environment happens online. So you want to have this type of video content out there for your potential customers to find that will lead them to you to make that purchase. If you look at the percentage of businesses who actually use YouTube for marketing, small businesses, it's a little bit less than 10%, about 9% as of about 2015. But large enterprises, large businesses, 61% are using YouTube video as of 2016, and that's continuing to grow. Also, video in business-to-business marketing drives a lot of things, a lot of stats, higher. So if you look at this, 20% lower cost per lead when you use video marketing, which means that you're spending less to get a potential customer. 70% of marketers report better conversion rates, so they're more likely to actually make the sale when they use video as part of the sales process. 97% increase in purchase intent. So people watching your videos have a more likely intentional reason to make a purchase from you. Video drives an 80% increase in page conversions. People will spend 2 minutes longer on your website if there's a video to engage them. Also, video drives 41% higher click-through with your search. They're more likely to click on your search link if you include video. On Twitter, video shows increased shares and engagement. And if you use video in your email, you're 2 times more likely to you'll increase your click-through rate by 2 times. So you're more likely to get quick click-throughs when you use video in your email marketing. 52% of marketers name video as the content type with the best ROI. So you're getting a much greater return on your investment when you use video. And companies using videos in their marketing grow their revenue 49% faster year over year than those that don't. So who uses video? Well, 86% of colleges and universities have a presence on YouTube. 87% of online marketers use video content. 22% of U.S. small businesses plan to post a video in the next 12 months, though, as we saw in a previous slide, only 9% are currently using it. So that there are more and more small businesses that are planning to engage in video marketing. 65% of U.S. marketers plan to increase their mobile ad budgets to account for video. And 96% of B2B organizations use video in some capacity in their marketing campaigns, of which 73% report positive results to their return on their investment. So we've kind of established why a video strategy is important, but why is using YouTube a viable strategy? First, let's define what YouTube actually is. It's more than just a place to go watch how-to videos. YouTube is a search engine. It's the second largest search engine behind only Google. It's also a video hosting site. You have the opportunity to post your videos up there for free. You're not paying for the bandwidth. It's a free video hosting site. It's also a social network. It's a place where people can go and engage with each other. You can comment on the videos. You can like the videos. You can share the videos. And finally, it's a paid advertising channel. It's an opportunity for you to find content that others are creating and run your ads to reach their audience. So if you understand all these uses, you'll have a successful video marketing strategy. If you use it as one of these items but ignore the others, you won't be quite as successful. So as you're developing a strategy for a client or customer or for your own company, keep these 4 things in mind and think about how you can use YouTube as a search engine, a video hosting site, a social network, and a paid advertising channel. Because YouTube is huge. If YouTube were a country, it would be the 3rd largest country in the world after China and India, based on the number of users. Another good reason to have a strategy on YouTube is that the video increases purchase intent. So 4 times as many customers would rather watch a video about a product than read about it, according to Animoto. I mean, think about the last time you were researching a product. Did you read a bunch of brochures or white papers about it? Or did you go search on YouTube for a video to explain it or to demo it? Also, almost 50% of internet users look for videos related to a product or service before they actually visit a store. So they do their research online before going to the store to purchase it. And 70% of millennials are likely to watch a company video when shopping online. Video affects purchasing behavior, and 80% of internet users recall watching a video ad on a website that they visited within the past 30 days. Of that 80%, 46% actually took some action after viewing. So they responded to the call to action. 26% of that 46% looked for more, or how that 46% breaks down is that 26% looked for more information about the subject of the video. 22% visited the website named in the ad. 15% visited the company represented in the video ad, and 12% actually purchased the specific product that was featured in the ad. 6 in 10 YouTube subscribers would follow the advice on what to buy from a favorite video creator over their favorite TV or movie personality. Think about that. The people that have established really strong online presences on YouTube, the vloggers, if you will, have more influence over some people's purchase behavior than the celebrities whose name everyone knows. Also, enjoyment of ads increase the purchase intent by 97% and brand association by 139%. So to some extent, people are watching the video ads for enjoyment as well, for entertainment purposes. And after watching a video, 64% of users are more likely to buy a product online. So create ads that are compelling, that are entertaining, and that use the power of influencers. Hallmark has actually been doing a great deal with vloggers to promote their product through those influencers more than they are using celebrities.